Alright guys, in this video I'm just going to touch on how you can get support and a few issues to help you with troubleshooting this extension yourself. So first off, you bought this through me. You can message me anytime and I might send you a video or an explanation. I expect you to kind of work through those first. If you're still having issues, then we can schedule a Zoom call or something. But 99% of the time, there's already been that issue, so I can just quickly shoot you a message or a video walkthrough showing you how to troubleshoot that. But so one thing I recommend, you have this extension, right? Create a label, name it support, hit add, color it whatever color you want. Could be red, green, blue, pink, black. Add me into this little label. Now you know that's where I'll be. If you ever have support questions for Genius Messenger, Friend Connector, Chirp, Lead, Link Wizard, whatever it might be, just put me in there. Add some notes. A birthday reminder. My birthday is September 11th. So every year you can send me some Bitcoin or whatever it might be. But that's one way you'll be able to manage support. And I'll drop a link to either my profile or one of my pages where you can chat with me. So you can push that button and just copy and paste that into Messenger. And then once you're corresponding with me, you'll have me to add to this support link. So another place you can go for support is the Genius Messenger CRM community. We added a little Facebook group here. I'm an administrator in this group. So you can come in here, check out what's going on, look for version updates. You can see we already had our first update shortly after launch, and we'll have a few more. So in the future, this will be fleshed out more. We'll have training, support topics, and all that good stuff. So those are the two best options. I'll also give you my email. It's support@tryjohnson.com. If you have any issues, I can always be reached through email, and I usually get back pretty quickly. So I'll drop those links below. Feel free to message me, whatever works for you. And with that being said, next I'm just going to cover the roadmap, which is going to be exciting. See what features are on the roadmap coming soon, and hopefully you guys enjoy that video. So we'll see you on the next one.